Hey guys, it's me, and today I am going to be painting something for my mom. Pretty much all my life I have been going camping, various places, but now we have a permanent site. And for a very long time my mom has had these lanterns that she keeps outside. They're really pretty at night. She always puts candles in them that light up. They've been a part of our camping trips for a very long time. I can't remember a time when we did not have them, but lately they are getting pretty run down. The candles in them were not meant for outdoors, so they melted and there's a lot of rust. I decided that I was gonna paint them for her. So this is gonna be a restoration project and I'm very excited to do it. I have paint ready to go. I'm not sure how some of my paint is gonna hold up because it's kind of old, but it is outdoor paint. So we're gonna give this a shot. Hopefully she likes it. So to start on this project, I had my dad help me pressure wash the lanterns. We decided to pressure wash rather than sand because there were a lot of loose paint chips and they also needed a good cleaning. So why not do two things at once and get some of the paint off and clean as well. As you can see, the paint is flying off. We actually forgot to take the glass panels out at first, but we ended up figuring that out about halfway through. So as you can see here, we removed the glass panels. Not a lot of paint came out from inside, probably because it was protected from a lot of the elements over the years. However, some of the glass panels were broken, so there was a lot of dust and grime on the inside, but not a lot of paint. And then Chance made an appearance because he has to be involved in everything we do. So please enjoy his cameo appearance. Overall on both of these, the paint has held up pretty well over the years, so not a lot actually came off, but I'm still satisfied with the outcome. The surface of the metal was in pretty good condition. It was smooth, there was really nothing to get off of there other than just loose chunks. So once we got done pressure washing, we used phosphoric acid to basically kill the rust and prevent it from rusting again. And after I let that dry, I ended up rinsing it off the next day. That stayed on overnight. So once that was done, everything was ready to paint. Okay, so now they're finished. This is what they look like. We'll do a little spin. Very proud. This is lantern number 1. And as you can see, the latch still works and it opens just fine. I thought I was going to have an issue with that because paint was getting in there, but it looks like everything's okay. It's black on the inside now, and we have these little candles to put in there, and that closes. So if for any reason we need to change the light or get it out, we can. And that latch moves a little bit rough now, but it still is functional. Everything works great. And this is lantern number 2. We'll do another spin. This one's paint is a little bit rougher. My red paint was not in the best condition, so it left some rough spots, but it doesn't look bad from a distance. And as with the first one, the latch and door still work. Overall, this project was really fun. I love restoring things. I love that I can give new life to something that I've been seeing since I was a kid. I know my mom loves it. The project didn't take me more than a couple of days. The only thing I did differently was add black to the inside, and that was just to give it a clean look. Also, my paint quality in the red was not great. So let's talk about what I've learned. So this was the first one I did. I started painting these when I had not fully mixed my red paint, and at the time I didn't realize it was not mixed all the way because I tried to mix it. So it came out watery and chunky. Also, the paint on the inside, the black, also turned out rough, and I'm beginning to wonder if it was just the texture of the material in the first place. And then here is lantern number 2. This one's a lot more chunky. I was less careful on it, but the inside looks better. I have learned that oil-based paint and water-based paint do not mix. If you put oil down first and it happens to get on the surface you're gonna paint water-based on, it really messes with it. I have figured that out if I'm gonna be using 2 different types of paint, to put down the water base first so that you could at least wipe away some of the oil-based paint. So that was an important lesson to learn. So as you can see, we got new candles. These are actually solar powered and they're plastic, so they're not wax anymore. They're meant for outdoors. I will put a link to this in the description in case you want to try this out yourself. We have seen them in the dark now and they're great. I will include some pictures. They don't flicker like a candle does. The old ones we had flickered, but that's okay. They look great and they have new life now, and my mom loves them. So once again, I really enjoyed doing this project. I'm so glad that I got to do this. I don't think I've done a lot of outdoor things, so I'm really hoping this holds up. But I do know that even if the paint fades, it will still look good. At least it won't rust anymore. So I hope you guys enjoyed this restoration, and I will see you guys next week. Bonus!
Oh my goodness. Oh, Chance. There you go, Chance. Here's the noodles. Is this I know. Oh, the bubbles. Oh. Oh.
Why you got this? Ow!